What's up guys, Chubster Plays here, and today we have another new skin. Man, Epic has been rolling out these new skins for the last week or so. It seems like we're getting a new skin every day. This could be a new record for consecutive skins released in the item shop. Anyways, he's in the shop right now for 1500 V-Bucks as the skin alone. Also available as a bundle, I believe for 2200 V-Bucks. So a little bit steep there. I was surprised it wasn't 1200 V-Bucks, but hey, we'll take it for 1500. Have it presetted in the locker right now along with all my other DC skins. Big Dark Knight fan. If you guys haven't seen the movie Dark Knight, go see it. Top 2 favorite movies of all time for me. We got the Batman Who Laughs here. We're gonna go ahead and go with the grappling axe, the Batman Zero Wing glider, the pick a card contrail, and the ultra red weapon wrap to go along with his paint on his lips. And of course, you already know, we got the Caped Crusader lobby tracks. If you guys want to support future showcases, be sure to like and subscribe. I'll be posting daily here on the channel, as long as there's new skins to showcase. Anyways guys, let's go ahead and get into this gameplay.